Alright, what's going on, everybody? This is Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, your Las Vegas realtor, bringing you another property tour. So we're going to be looking at this beautiful home here. Look at this. I do like this elevation right here out of all the other elevations. I love the stone veneer. I love the architectural design on here, right? Kind of gives you that modern look. Now, this home right here is 3,192 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bath, great room, den, loft, and also 2-car garage plus storage. The asking price is $486,500. Now we are here in the city of North Las Vegas. Okay, as you can see, we are in a gated community right here. Let's take a look at it from this side. Look at that. It's gorgeous, right? The front landscaping is not included. You'll get the standard landscaping, so make sure to ask for that. Okay. Now on this home, you do have the option for the junior master suite in lieu of the 4th bedroom, 5th bedroom with a 4th bathroom in lieu of the den. Got your Ring doorbell. All right, let's get back inside here. All right. So as we come on in, we're just gonna bring you right into this living. Take a look at this. Isn't this gorgeous? That's what I'm talking about. Look at how open this floor plan is. Now let's take a look at this island right here. This island has more of a fintail cut. Not too sure of the proper name, so let me know. Home is equipped with the smart home device, so you do get this. I believe this one is an Echo. Alexa, is Chakits the handsome guy on planet Earth?
Here's something I found on the web. According to cruisecritic.com, ground chuck is made from chuck roast.
Oh, damn it. Alexa, who's the best realtor in Las Vegas?
Sorry, I'm not sure about that.
What? Alexa, is Chakits the coolest dude on planet Earth?
That would be planet Earth, but I hope to someday explore strange new worlds.
Okay.
To seek out new life and new civilizations, to boldly go where no AI has gone before.
Oh, okay, got it. Oh, you know what? Last time I said Alexa, I controlled everybody else's Alexa that was across the screen. So, Alexa, go to lvhomeexperts.com. Let's see if that works. Oh, what? Wow, take a look at this. A couple things with the smart home device here. You do get a couple of these switches. These are the Wi-Fi switches. So if you are ever out and about, you can actually control those switch. Okay. Also your garage door too as well. Okay. Let's take a look at this. Look at these full overlay cabinets here. Now this is not real wood. These are thermofolds. And for some of you guys that are new to this channel, what thermofolds are is basically you do have a certain type of wood that's underneath here. Typically it's like pressed wood, but it's more of an engineer wood. But what happens is they take the sleeve and they heat the sleeve up over this cabinet. Now keep in mind, check the manufacturer on how to actually clean these things, because what happens is if you buy these cabinets, you use a certain type of chemicals, you'll damage these cabinets. Then what happens is your warranty is going to be void. Now with these full overlay cabinets you see here, you're going to be forced to get some handles here. Okay. Now with the builder, you're forced to get handles no matter what, even though they don't have the handles that you like, right? At least get the single knobs, the standard, so that way you can, number one, go out and get your own and install them. And also if you want a whole rail like this, a handrail, now one hole's already drilled. So just keep that in mind, okay? Oh, did you hear that? My knees just cracked. Love that backsplash. LED lights. All right, let's go take a look at the pantry here. Pretty decent sized pantry. Alexa, best realtor in Las Vegas. Let's take a look at this.
I found a few top-rated options in Las Vegas.
12 by 24 tile.
2.8 miles away on East Sahara Avenue.
Look at the way it's ran.
Chris Patrick, signature real estate group, 11.1 miles away
You got
on Drive.
the tiles are ran like 24 by 24 here, staggered again 24 by 24 here. I don't know if you guys can see how it's ran. It's very unique. You do have a 12-foot slide here, vinyl. Now, you probably won't be able to go outside. Oh, wow. You can go outside? Normally they don't even let you go outside. Wow, I love the travertine floor here. Look at this. Now this lot size is probably about 6,500 square feet. So, definitely has some room to build a pool. It's gorgeous, right? Yeah. Love it. Pools are so expensive right now. Like that pool right there is probably gonna be about almost $80,000. Take a look at it again. Interesting. Let's come along this way here. Oh, did you see how I did that without getting wet? Alright, let's go back inside where it's nice and cool. Oh, I love that chair right there. Beautiful chair. Oh, quick shout out to Curtis and Cole. Thanks for the watch. I do appreciate it. Quick plug-in. I have a link in the description below. Or if not, go to curtisandcolewatches.com. If you guys are into luxury watches. And crazy, the luxury watch game right now, what's going on is a lot of people are buying luxury watches and flipping them. Okay, nice. Cabinet 36. Oh, I mean, I'm sorry. Yeah, 36 inches. Where am I going with this thing? Alright. Closet. I mean, master's kind of small for the bathroom. This can't be the master. This is just a suite for sure. But this is good for like guests or like family members. Refrigerator is not included. Okay. Let's go this way here. You got your 3-car garage. Let's go inside. Oh, there's a pallet of water. Pandemic ever breaks out, y'all know where to get some water. Remember when all that water was sold out? That was crazy, huh? I believe they are going to put a tankless water heater. Because I don't see a drain pan. Like, I thought they were going to put a, what do you call, water tank there, but no. We'll come back up to the front here. So this would have been another bedroom with the bathroom. Oh, look at that desk. That desk is gorgeous. What I like about Pardee, man, they got great taste. Love the colors, just nice and warm and inviting. Here we have our bath. Okay. Nothing special with that. This one we got straight edge cornering with a orange peel texture. And take a look at this. I mean, as you walk in, nice high ceilings. Alright, let's go upstairs. Oh yeah. As we come up, looks like the master's off to the left here. Okay. And this is the master. I'm starting to get a headache for some reason. Well, you know how like rappers like to wear like big ass chains? What happens if I had one of these? Shutting it down. Let's look out this window here. Nice tile. One of the things that people are not aware of, blinds, man, they can get pretty expensive. Now, one of my clients, right? His father does custom blinds. So I know a guy that can hook y'all up. So, just, you know, quick plug. Woo! It's getting hot, man. Alright, what do we have here? Undermounted sink. Again with the Petrofenia. 36 on the cabinets with the thermofold with the wood-like tile. I mean, wood-like tile. Yeah. So much dead space right here. The other option would have been tub, shower. Okay, all right, fiberglass one piece. But you can do the upgrade to this. But that doesn't make any sense. I don't know. I would have just made the shower the whole thing. Single panel door is an upgrade. Now, there's something I want to show you right here. I don't know if you guys can catch that. Look at this sheen right here. See this? You see where the light is right here? Look at this light. You see that sheen? That tells you they repainted this door with a different color. These are things that you just need to be aware of. Also, a lot of times when they come back in and paint this door, they don't paint the top. So what happens is you should paint the top. According to the Nevada Contractors Code, they say that you should paint the top. Okay? So those are things that I would check. Also, if you do your upgrades on your hardware, especially like brushed nickel or this bronze, make sure hinges are also included. Some builders may charge you for the hinges too as well. Now when that's installed, the painters that come out here and paint the door, they just end up painting over the hinges. And now you got to end up cleaning this out. So make sure to double check that. Attention to detail, folks. Remember that. Love this extra room right here. What do we have here? Laundry. Front loaded laundry. I don't know. Do you guys like the front load or the top load? I prefer the top load. Cabinets all upgrade here. You do have an option to throw a sink. Smart panel box. Now this one, they show you as an example, 36 inches, how clean this is. So right here, this is so funny how they made this all clean and labeled. But when you get your product, every builder, that shit ain't labeled like this, man. What the hell? So look at this. All this right here, cable. This tells you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cable. Okay. Looks like you do have your modem. Now here's the thing. One thing I want to share with you real quick. You have a modem, right? That connects to this stuff. Then you have your router for your Wi-Fi. But because with this builder, right? You're buying a smart home device. Once you get your router, once you buy your modem, do not get a router. Because when Amazon comes out here, they're going to give you their router, right? For the ecosystem and all that stuff. So I don't want you to buy all that stuff. You get your power, extra power, right? You got your, for your Cat 6 as well. Look at that. Boom. Extra storage, we looked at. And right here we have our loft. Decent size loft. I do love the loft size. Let me just show you outside real quick. So you have the 215 right there. Easy access. Okay. KB Homes right across the street. KB. Alexa, go to lvhomeexperts.com. Did I turn your guys' Alexa on? Let me know in the comments below. They're just a standard room. This is probably a 10 by 10. Nothing special in here. This one, they didn't add the 4-can lighting whatsoever. Closet space, 2 by 8 standard. You have your air filters here. Coming down the hall into the last bedroom. Okay. You have your closet door, your sliders, panels, okay. Got your jumper box. Let's take a look at here. Decent size for your linen closet. Coming into your bathroom now. Again, you got your Petrofina, then your door for your tub, shower combo. Okay. Ooh. Dang, I swung around quick. Here's your thermostat right here. Programmable digital thermostat. I definitely would like to have the Nest thermostat. Connect that through Wi-Fi. This right here, I believe you can actually open all this up right here. That was an option. Ooh, I love these windows right here. Alright, let's finish up this video. Let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are about this property. Other than that, I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys from the bottom of my heart. We're about 178,000 subscribers. The goal, the milestone is 200,000, and I need your help, so please tell all your friends and family. Only 30% of the people that watch this content have subscribed to this channel, so we got to ramp that up. That's what I'm talking about. Let's get it ramped up. The goal, the milestone is 200,000. Other than that, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Chakits, Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Oh, have a blessed day, guys.